All right, boys and girls, the final step in solving this equation is to find the check and to make sure both sides of the equation are balanced. So I am going to substitute my values of y and use what I know about 1/6 of y to help me check this equation. So 2y would be 2 -18s plus 1/3 of y. Well, if 1/6 of y is -3, then 1/3 of y is -6 minus 4 equals 1/2 of y, which if y is -18, then half of y is -9 minus 37. I'm always going to work from left to right using the order of operations. If you know anything about that, you know that multiplication is going to come first in this equation. So -18 two times is going to give me a -36 plus a -6 minus 4 equals -9 minus 37. Coming back, now I've got a -36 and a -6. That's going to give me a -42. And -42 and a -4 is going to give me a -46. And a -9 combined with a -37 is also going to give me a -46. And that's great because that means both sides are equal, which means both sides are balanced, which means the value of 1/6 of y is -3 and the value of y is -18. I solved the equation using pencil and paper correctly, and oops, just so you could see, we did solve it correctly. And so that's it, boys and girls. You just completed level 2 of hands-on equations fractions. Congratulations.